Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to correct a simple typo in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This video, if it helps you, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is a book cover for a new book that we're publishing, and I just discovered as it got back from the graphic designer that there's a typo in it. It's a small typo, and Adobe Acrobat either in Windows or Mac OS is really a great way to correct these types of things, because if I wanted to, I could send it back to the graphic designer to take care of it, but she might take weeks to get to it because she's busy, or there's also going to be a cost attached to it because the graphic designers are expensive. So this is a much cheaper option. This is a subscription version of Adobe Acrobat Pro. I believe you can get a test trial version, which you can use for free for a couple weeks, but I pay $15 or $20 per month for this piece of software. I use it for all kinds of things, and this is one of the things. So the first thing you need to do is open it up in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and then on the right side you should see this little sidebar. Click Edit PDF. And then what's happens, I don't know if you can see this, but these dotted lines have appeared around all of the text areas. So this is the problem area. It says 4 C. diff cases studies. So there should not be an extra S here. All I'm going to do is just hit the backspace. I'm going to put the cursor there, hit the backspace, and it's done. At that point, I'm going to close this, and it's basically opened up in Reader, so I can read it, I can see it. If I want to, I can print it out if I need to do kind of like a pen check of this, but I think I'm happy with that. And then when I close this view of it, it's going to prompt me to save. So do you want to save it? And yes, I do. So that's all saved. So that's an easy way to take care of a PDF problem. It works great for smaller PDFs or simple typos. For other types of cases, actually, if there's a complicated thing where you have to move graphics around, it's not the greatest solution. But if you need more information on how to get the most out of the software you use every day, go to in30minutes.com or follow this YouTube channel and like the video. I'd be very grateful. Thank you so much for watching.